Hello everyone, I am Manusha, first year MBA, Maharani's Women's Commerce and Management College, Mysore. I am going to present types of product strategies. Product strategies. A product strategy is outline a company's strategic vision for its product offering by starting where the product are going, how they will get there and why they will succeed. Product strategies define what your product should achieve and how that supports the organization, and this brought to life thoughts the product roadmap. This is the format of types of product strategies. Business strategies, competition priorities, competition advantages. Business strategies. Business strategies is about giving order consistency to complexity. It is about plotting and executing custom sustainable superior performance over competitions. The types of production strategies under business strategies are as follows: differential strategies, cost leadership strategies, market segmentation strategies. Differential strategies: the company tries to be different and unique from its competitors. More features and facilities in its product, quick and better delivery of its product. For example, a candy company may different their candy by improving the taste or using healthy ingredients. Next, cost leadership strategy: the company tries to reduce its cost of production. And cost leadership strategy means selling the goods at the cheapest price in the market and providing goods on very high scales by its strategy benefit of economic of largest scale. For example, McDonald's, Walmart. Next, market segmentation strategies: the company divides the market according to the types of customers it has to focus and target. It sells different product and service to different types of customers. To achieve these goals, it products and sells goods or service as per need the customers. Therefore, market segmentation strategy is also called focus strategies. Next, competitive priorities. Competitive priorities are the subtle operational dimension a propose or a supply chain must process to satisfy its internal or external customers. The production strategies under competitive priorities are as follows: price, quality strategy, delivery strategy, product mix, service strategy, eco-friendly product. Price: the company sells its product at very low price. Product or homogeneous name in nature, customers can't dislike the company product from the competitor product. For example, 5 rupees for 3 cakes, the amount asked for money or goods asked for give in exchange for something else to put a price on fix of price. Next, quality strategies: the company produces and sells high quality goods and service. The price of such goods and service are naturally very high. And quality strategy main things is data management strategy, data management functions, governance management, quality advantages, quality assistance, data profiling, etc. And this strategy main thing is attract those customers who prefer top quality product and are ready to pay necessary appropriate price. The company must pay special attention to the design of its product. Next, delivery strategy: the company delivery its product and service to their customers as early as possible, that too within a fixed time period. Speed delivery to product and fastest accessibility. sorry providing quickest accessibility of service, speed delivery of products, and fastest accessibility of service remove the problems of security and unnecessary delays in the market. Its effect for companies or market. Next, product mix or flexibility strategy. Under this strategy, the company produces and sells a product mix. A product mix is a group of products which are sold by the same company. For example, Coca-Cola has around 3,500 plus product brands in its profile. Product for those different product brands are also known as product line. A combination of all those product lines constitutes the product mix. And we can see in this we can see this chart organizational stock strategies reorientation capacity to learn. These three strategies is the flexibility. Next, service strategy. Under this strategy, the company uses service to attract their customer. Service is required for both consumers goods as well as industrial goods, and it gives quickest and better after sales service. It gives around the clock 24 into 7 hours customer service. It may reminders the service directly via the company or through the network of call centers. For example, the fact that he is a regular customer speak volumes for the quality of the foods or friendly services. Recognize the importance of customer royalties. Next, eco-friendly product. Eco-friendly strategy. The company produces and sells environment friendly product also called as green product. Reduce pollution. Project the disappear. We can use packing material to reduce packing cost also. Information the public about their environment friendly manufacturing approach thought advertisement also. Next, competitive advantages. A conditions or circumstance that puts an organization in favorable or superior market position. An advantages again by offering customers greater value than competitors office. The production strategies under competitive advantages are as follows: flexible response strategy, low quality strategy. Next, flexible response strategy. A company make necessary change in its production plan that to the considered which the emergencies change in the market. Speed and reliability. Change as per the assuring changes in the market demand. And the company must make quick changes as per the arising changes in the market demand. It must also be reliable, that is, it must give a regular supply of goods to its customers. Next, low cost strategy. Under low cost strategy, the company fights massive market competitions by selling product at very lowest price. Sell its good at maximum price if it maintain a low cost of production and distributions. Product and distributing goods on a large scales. It must also maintain the quality of products. A company can only sell its product at maximum price if it maintain a low cost of productions and distribution. This can be done by products and distributing goods on large scales also. Thank you all.